Hey guys, how are you doing? Before checking out the features that iOS 17.2 brings to our iPhone, as Apple have released the developer beta 1 version last week, the iOS 17.2 release date is expected to be mid of December, right before Christmas, based on the number of betas that are expected to be released in the next coming weeks. And if there is any miss in the schedule, then obviously the official release of iOS 17.2 release date could be set to first or second week of January 2024. The very first feature or the application that is going to come to your iPhone after iOS 17.2 release will be Journal app. It is similar to a blogging application. There is an app where you can write, take notes, and use some multimedia contents, which is the Pages app, of course. But this Journal app kind of has the UI similar to the Pages app here and there. I will explain that a little bit later. But the introduction itself, you can see that it is a very start of this Journal app, and it is aimed to provide basic set of tools to let you create stories and share it with your friends and family members securely. So here in the intro, you can see that there are several cards that gives you the suggestion about how you can create stories, how you can invite others, how you can use this application overall. Below that, similar to the Pages app UI, the editor window, the keyboard section transform into several suggestions window. At the same time, you can add photos and videos directly from the same keyboard section. When you go on a trip with your friends and family members, you can capture the moments and you can include that along with your journal before publishing it. Or if you're taking notes or lectures, anything, and you want to convert it to a journal, then of course you can use the live camera mode. You can also add audio message and you can add location about a specific trip. That way you can revisit that place, or you can give the directions to your friends and family members whom you want to actually share the journal with. Whether it will be a useful app or it is going to be another app that is just going to stay in your app library or not, have to be decided once it's officially available after the release of iOS 17.2. With the release of iOS 17.2, we are also going to see some interesting changes, feature additions to the Apple Music. Number one is under library. At the top, you can see a small banner that shows based on the region if there is any new release of album or songs. And when you navigate inside the playlist, you will see a new section called favorite songs. This is kind of most awaited feature, or most expected feature since the release of Apple Music. Whatever the songs that we love, when we select the love option or like option, it simply goes into the void. We won't be able to find the song. The algorithm uses such songs to curate and find similar songs and playlists to us automatically when we try to listen to the radio station. But that is not what the user wants. They try to create their particular favorite songs as a separate playlist or separate album. And if we missed that moment, if we missed that song to favorite it, we won't be able to find it again that easily. So that problem is addressed with the help of this favorite songs section under the playlist. And the next one is going to be the collaborator feature. If you have any friends or family members who can join and curate a playlist so that you both can listen and during gym workouts or during any other special occasions, then this feature is definitely going to be an excellent one. And the next feature with the 17.2 comes to the translation feature for iPhone 14 Pro and above models. With the dynamic island, you can see that there is a cool animation on the dynamic island itself. For notch enabled models, you will simply see a shortcut type of card published at the top section right below the notch area. And the next important feature change is going to be the widgets section. There are few UI related changes happened with the widgets where weather widgets have gained few more UI related changes, and the clock widget also have got a couple of new interfaces that you can use on your home screen and lock screen if you are a person who use clock as a widget on your home screen. And the next important thing is related to the music app. When you navigate inside settings focus, and when you tap on any custom focus that you have created or the focus that is available other than the sleep focus, navigate inside the focus filters and you will see the music section. There you can enable or disable the use listening history toggle, so that if your friends or family members or your kids are using the music app at your home, the music listening history will not be messed up with what you have. Make sure to enable the focus filter and give it to them when you like the Apple Music content curation, which randomly, automatically happens based on your listening history. So these are the features that are coming to your iPhone and iPad when iOS 17.2 comes out. And I hope you got the information about iOS 17.2 release date as well. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.